Hello everybody, this is the New Mexico Pit Boss, and today I'm going to make some ribs in the oven, man. I know it's not something I usually do, but it's super windy and cold outside, and I got these great St. Louis cut ribs I want to make. So I'm going to take the membrane off, I'm going to slather them in mustard and put my favorite rub on them. All my recipes are available at NewMexicoPitBoss.com. After I wrap them in foil real tight, I'm going to cook them in the oven at 300 degrees for about 2.5 hours and see how they come out. I hope you enjoy this video. Take care.